Hello, this is Pamela and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Today's video is just a, I guess just kind of casual. I wanted to come on here, crochet a little bit, talk, just kind of hang out. So grab your cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet talk. Well, today I'm still drinking caramel coffee. Then I'm making Walt the green monster. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with maybe blue hair or something like that up there. I'm not sure. But here's what I've gotten done so far. This is little Walt. I think he's supposed to actually be like a Grinch monster. But I'm turning mine into just, you know, a regular green monster. So let me get a drink real quick. That is so good. All right, so I'm working on his arms. There we go. And I am on like row 34, and there are 52 rows, so I'm on 34. Now, when you crochet in the round, and you change colors, there's always this look right there. Let's see. And it's really hard to not get that look, but it's really bad here. So what I do, you're supposed to carry your yarn. So what I do is I cut my yarn, and my helps it see. It's not as bad as like right there. So anyway, I don't know. That's just kind of the way that I kind of sort of prevent that from coming. So I hope you enjoyed the sounds of the birds. They're twerping out here, and oh, there's a lizard right over there. So it feels good this morning, but I'm pretty sure it's probably going to warm up pretty good. So how's everyone doing today? Just let me know in the comments below what you're working on, what's going on, and I'd love to hear from you. And I'd like to say thank you to all of you guys for supporting me, supporting my channel. You guys are doing it in so many different ways. Some of you guys are just by sharing, watching, and all that type of stuff. And some of you are members of my channel where you pay a little small fee every month. So there's different ways that you guys are supporting me, and I just want to say how much I appreciate that. And as you can, if you've looked at my numbers, I've actually reached 34,000 now. So thank you guys. That's all because of you guys. And so I hope that I can continue bringing you patterns and bringing you, you know, fun things that you guys like. Well, one of the things that I've done here lately, matter of fact, talking about that, I'm going to do a video where I don't have everything that I've made, but I do have quite a few. So I thought I might do a video and showcase some of the patterns that I have out there, like some of the shawls and things like that. I don't know if I have any of the hats and things, but maybe by that kind of give you an idea of some of the things that I have. But it's not going to be all, because I don't have all my patterns. This one right here, I brought these out here to remind you about these. This is one of the latest, the very, very popular one. Look at that. So I am actually going to make some of these and sell in my Etsy shop. So if there's any color or something that you're interested in, just feel free to email me, and I will make one in that color and make a private listing for you on Etsy. So just let me know. They're about 10 inches diameter on the bottom and about 12 inches in height, not including the straps on them. So, but you know that varies according to the yarns that you use. So let me count this real quick, make sure I have 12. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there's 12. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just working on little Walt. I'm still undecided if I want Walt to be a smaller one or not. I'm not sure. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he's getting longer. His arms are getting longer here. And I'm pretty excited about him. I really am. And you know, I want to make some more for the boys. So I'm really considering, I don't know what I'm considering, to be honest with you, because he really is cute, big. Let's see. So he would be going to a 2 and a 3-year-old. Well, it's a 2 and 3-year-old. A 2-year-old will be 3 November the 1st. So they're basically just about, I guess, 2.5 and 3. But they're the 2.5 is bigger than the 3-year-old. So anyway, so that's one reason why I wasn't sure of making them this big. So I may go ahead and do the 3 weight yarn, but it really is cute big. Let's see, so I'm thinking about selling those in my Etsy shop, but I'm also thinking about selling, I don't know if you guys remember the little monster mouse that I made for the grandkids. I think I made like 8 of them or something. Those seem to be a pretty big hit, so I think I'm going to make some of those and sell them on Etsy. So if you're interested in any of those, be sure and watch out. Of course, I put on my channel what I'm doing with that. And so I have some Pioneer yarn that I need to design something with. I need to design a poncho. I want to design another one of these bags. So I have more than one design. And let's see. Oh, and I would like to, I still got to work on my doll outfit, the 18-inch doll. I've started it. I might as well finish it, right? So, yeah, I think I'll probably do that next. Go ahead and get that finished because I don't like much. And, yeah, that one will be done. And then I think I may make some of these and put in Etsy, sell that, make me some summer money. Yeah. Well, guys, that's really it. I just wanted to come on here, drink some coffee with you, let you know what's going on, which is not much. Just finishing up old Walt over here. Pretty excited about him. Pretty sure I'm keeping him. Let's see. I'm still working on the baby blanket. And oh, and I have the 2 patterns going out in Crochet World magazine and Crochet Foundry magazine, so be sure and look for those. Ooh, fly. So, I'm not sure what the temperature is supposed to get here in Arkansas today, but I did hear that it's going to be a lot lower than it has been, so that's a good thing. It's been really hot, like extremely hot. Yeah, looks like the flies are out. But yeah, I guess that's it, guys. I just wanted to update you and find out what you're working on, see what you're doing. And this is Thursday, so I'll be heading up to the church this evening and kind of hanging out there doing some of my homework that I have. School's going very well. I am totally 100% enjoying the school part of it. Yeah, I like it a lot. I was really nervous about doing algebra and English comp, but now that I'm in it, I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, that's about it. Just I guess I'll be doing a new craft day video, will be posted today as well, so be sure and look for that. It's a sponsored video and I love New Craft Day, so be sure and watch for that one. So you'll get 2 videos today. All right, guys, that's all that I have. Just remember to live life and to have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.